Visualize your product in fully simulated natural environments. Open the assistant and select the workflow that allows you to place your product in a new visual context. Upload your product image and write a prompt describing the landscape. The tool generates several options. Choose the one that best matches your product's personality. Use Resize tool to adjust the format and broaden the composition of your landscape. Use Upscale tool to increase resolution and optimize image quality. Animate your visuals with the video generator, and repeat the process to quickly generate a full set of professional content across different landscapes.